The OLL algorithm I'm presenting to you now is called Sune, S-U-N-E. It kind of looks like a fish, and it's got its little tail fins, and it's facing you. There's two different Sune cases I'll be teaching you. One, when the fish shape is facing you, one of the cases you will have a dot here, and another case you will have a dot here. That's called anti-Sune. Either way, it's going to be the same algorithm. The way I like to teach this, and there's many different ways for you to learn this algorithm, but we'll start off here, is going to be facing the fish away from you, or the Sune case away from you, and you'll have this dot back here. And you will do this algorithm. Left, U, L prime, U, L, U2, L prime. And that will do your OLL. And the inverse of that is going to be anti-Sune. So here we have the same shape, but we have it on this, the dot on this side instead of this side. Anti-Sune is performed the same way. Have it face the back and you'll see the dot back here. And you're going to be performing the algorithm as such. It'll be R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. That will take care of your OLL. Those are the two Sune cases, and now we'll take a look at a few of the other cases.